Guys, check this thing out. It's a waterfall, little pump, got a little waterfall thing in it. And I guess these are gnomes or elves or dwarves or whatever they are. It's really kind of cool. I've never seen this particular one before. It's got a little light in there. They're cute. Damaged over here in his hat. I don't see a price anywhere on the thing. But I've never seen this thing before. It's $6. I'm going to pass, and it's broken, but that's neat. I've never seen it. Off I go.